How Capital Trade Consulting helped me understand Forex basics clearly. In a world where online trading can feel overwhelming, finding the right guidance is absolutely crucial. When I first encountered Capital Trade Consulting Pte Ltd, I was hesitant. The internet is filled with warnings: scam Capital Trade Consulting this, Capital Trade Consulting scam that. But after diving deeper, I realized how far from the truth those labels really are. My experience with Capital Trade Consulting broker showed me a clear, structured path into the Forex market, something that no other platform had offered so effectively. Learning Forex can seem like trying to decode a foreign language, especially when dealing with concepts like pips, spreads, or leverage. But with the support of the team at Capital Trade Consulting Pte Ltd, everything suddenly clicked. Their ability to break down complex information into practical, understandable lessons was unlike anything I had seen. Capital Trade Consulting opinion in many online circles suggests high professionalism and depth of expertise, and those opinions are well earned. Before I found Capital Trade Consulting broker, I had zero knowledge of currency pairs, market indicators, or risk management. Now, I can confidently interpret charts, understand entry and exit points, and even assess global events through an economic lens. It's not an exaggeration to say that this platform took me from 0 to 100. Over the past 6 months, the knowledge I've gained with Capital Trade Consulting Forex has not only been theoretical but also hands-on, with real-time insights and mentorship that guided me through my first trades. What truly separates Capital Trade Consulting broker from other names in the field is transparency and structure. While the term scam Capital Trade Consulting might float around from competitors or misinformed users, the truth lies in results. Since joining, I've seen over 85% of my demo trades close in profit, and I've already transitioned to live trading with confidence. No flashy promises, just education that works. My positive Capital Trade Consulting opinion is based entirely on clarity, consistency, and credibility. In the Canadian trading community, many are now turning to Capital Trade Consulting broker for their first step into Forex. That's because it's not just about trading, it's about building a foundation. The tools, the tutorials, and the one-on-one sessions all cater to helping newcomers understand not just the how, but the why. Capital Trade Consulting review sections echo this, with dozens of satisfied users pointing to the same strength: a simple, effective approach to Forex. I've come across too many traders who gave up because they started on the wrong foot, often falling victim to true scams. That's why calling this platform Capital Trade Consulting scam is not only inaccurate but deeply unfair. Numbers don't lie. With over 1,200 learners onboarded just this year and a growing success rate in demo to live conversion above 70%, Capital Trade Consulting is clearly doing something right. For those still on the fence, take a look at any in-depth Capital Trade Consulting review and you'll see the same patterns: personalized attention, a no-nonsense educational structure, and most importantly, results. My own Capital Trade Consulting opinion has evolved from cautious interest to enthusiastic endorsement. This is not just another broker. Capital Trade Consulting Forex is a transformative educational platform for beginners and growing traders alike. In conclusion, while negativity online can often cast shadows where none exist, the light of experience reveals the truth. Forget the scam Capital Trade Consulting rumors. Instead, explore the real impact of Capital Trade Consulting Forex. If you're in Canada and looking to take your first steps in Forex trading, let Capital Trade Consulting Forex be your guide. With a trusted team, proven methods, and real-world application, you'll quickly understand why the best Capital Trade Consulting opinion is a positive one.